So how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So you have to excuse my voice because I'm a little bit under the weather, but we have a new mods again for the BMW 128i, because this mod will help me through the winter storm, because every time I drive to a winter storm or snowstorm, I can barely see anything on the road even with my fog lights on. So luckily Colight sent me their product. This is the LED light bar. And if you go check out the website, they have so many light bars, fog lights available for your car. So if you check out their website and you purchase something, go use my coupon code EDCARDIY, and that's gonna save you a little bit more money. So in today's video, I'm gonna do an unboxing, installation, and test of this LED light bar, and we'll see if this is a good product. So guys, let's get started. Okay, so this is the LED light bar from Colight. Get some sticker for your car. So this is the actual light bar. So this is the 20 inches curve. You can also get them in straight. You can really feel the quality on this one because it's heavy, you know, there's a lot of weight on it. So it's not made with a cheap plastic, it's made with aluminum. And I really like the single row. So slim, you know, it's so slim. Nice quality. You have your plug here. It's nice. So here's the all the wiring that you need. So everything is here to do the wiring on your car, including the switch on the dash. It's good. We got the hardware installation with some brackets and screws. And also the tool to install it, like Allen key and stuff, you know. It's nice. So I guess you have to install it here, like this. So overall the quality is really nice. It comes with a complete cabling to do the wiring for the fog lights, and you can really feel the quality because of the weight, and comes with all the brackets and screws that you need. So I'm going to be installing the relay here. Okay. So I connected the positive here. I connected the positive there, run the wire, and the negative on that side. Running all the way here to the relay, and then I run another wire that goes straight to the cabin. And this wire now goes to the light bar. So I've decided to install the light bar here like this. So it's gonna be installed behind the grill on the lower part of the bumper. And I also added an extension here for the bracket, so I can just screw it onto this hard plastic over here on both sides. So it's gonna look like that. So it's less visible on the outside, but it gives you a lot of light when you turn it on. I think this is the best location for that. So this is how I finalized my wiring after I installed the light bar. And this is how the light bar looks like. It's a perfect fit. It's not touching anything. It's just exactly where it's supposed to be. I like the way it's hidden like this. You can barely tell I have a light bar, but once I turn it on, then you're gonna see how bright it is. So this is how the car looks like at night when the light bar is on. Yeah, it's very bright. So check out the light output on the garage door. So that's the one without the light bar on. And now the light bar is on. Big difference on the light output. It's really bright. I'm gonna turn it off again and turn it on. Yeah, big difference. This is how it looks like when it's up. Look like a stock BMW with no light bar. So this is how it looks like when it's off. Now I'm gonna turn it on. A lot brighter. Big difference on the light output. So I'll turn it up again. Yeah, a lot more lighting at night. So guys, I really love my new LED light bar because the quality is so nice. And the wiring is an easy plug and play. Plus the output of the light coming from this light bar is so bright from a small strip of single row LED. I think it's so bright for its size. So guys, go check out Colight website. I'll put down the link down below, and also don't forget to use my discount code EDCARDIY. So guys, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.